You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. It's pronounced in English housing, alright? Yes, it comes from the verb to house, alright? It's not, the noun is house, but the verb is house with a Z sound, okay? So here, to house, housing, the participle housing. Stress on the first syllable. That's for British English and for American English. Housing. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.